right, Patrick, thank you so much for coming through, brother. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me here.
Yeah, no, for sure. And I see you brought your fun, awesome daily driver?
Daily driver, road tripper, 4Runner, everything you can do on this car, utility car.
Yeah, I mean, that's what it's meant and built for. So I can tell you have a lot of fun. I mean, judging by it, I think you were telling me that it's been around the block, like a few places around the US.
Yeah, it's been definitely all around California. I've taken it to road trips in Utah, Nevada, ideally by the end of this year, Phoenix and Oregon, but I guess we'll see.
That's awesome, man. We'll keep adding those flag stickers on the side I saw that you got going on. Who rides with you when you go around the country on some of these cool off-roading spots?
So as I mentioned, it's also like a 4Runner because I have two dogs. I have an Australian Shepherd named Zion and a Skipperky named Yogi, together accompanied with my wife. So.
Awesome, man. Well, I hope you've gone to Zion. If not, then that's on the map.
That's actually how we named him.
That's how
we went to Zion March 2022, and then April 2022, we got Zion and named him based on the national parks.
Perfect.
Pretty cool.
There you go. That's a good way to start, man. Well, you've had a ton of fun, and now we're going to take it upon ourselves to share some of that fun with everybody that loves the details. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So hang on tight, guys.
Thank you.
All right, so today we got Nick Wynn helping us out here. Of course, me trolling him. But he's filling up our foam cannon with the new hybrid ceramic wash and wax, getting ready to wash this bad boy here. I'm gonna see what's cooking underneath, but I don't think I fit. Look at these guys just kicking me around. All right, anyways, back to Nick. So he's gonna be going ahead and washing off some of this debris that's in the undercarriage, on the tire, on the wheel. Nice little pre-rinse.
Why not that?
All right, back to Nick. Here we go. So brushing these tires and making sure we use the ultimate all-wheel cleaner for this nice wheel set. Spraying everywhere nice and generous. And then going in with the face brush, making sure we get all those dirty grime off. Passing the ball over to Patrick, making sure he gets the back wheel started, and then I'll go ahead and I'll finish it up. Now moving on to the Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our tire brush and of course, nice power rinse. Making sure that we pre-rinse the whole vehicle, trying to get all of that grime, dirt, debris, stuff coming off of it as easy as possible.
Let me tell you something about marketing. And the thing about marketing is there's one thing you gotta know. And what you need to know about marketing is one thing. So that's why I'm posting.
All right, back to power rinsing. Here we go. So we're gonna show Patrick real quick that there ain't any protection on his car, and we're gonna do something about that. Check out the water sheeting. Just water's going right down with zero protection.
It's hitting
That's
the
car.
sensor. It's trying to
The
lock
car's
it.
getting wet, so the car, Patrick, the car getting wet and beeping at you, telling you, thank you for finally washing me because I was sick and tired of being dirty. Nick, spread some more water on here so we can see how the water's just gonna sheet down because it doesn't have any protection. So you can just tell it's just kind of running down. There's no water beading action, nothing of that. So we'll see afterwards with the hybrid ceramic wash and wax how it's gonna be a drastic difference. So that's the protection that one provides for you.
Cool. This is actually my favorite part when I get to snow foam a vehicle. This is a big one, so we start from top to bottom, making sure I cover all the surfaces. And actually for this one, since we're doing a little bit of a test run, I'm not even gonna agitate. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse that thing off. And I'm actually excited to see what's gonna happen, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Water beading action means protection. You're welcome.
So check it out. I just rinsed it, and just with the pre-wash itself, not even agitating or even really getting in there and taking off all that dirt, it's already water beading. Check this out. So it's pretty cool because like, the water's just running off. So can you imagine this clean and you know, just,
Big difference.
It really makes your washing maintenance that much more easier.
All right, we're now, oh, Nick, you got us. That's all right, buddy. Don't you worry. We creeped up on you. All right, so anyways, you do your business. We'll do ours. We'll keep shooting. All right, somebody will wipe it off. Great, thank you. All right, cool. All right, everybody, all hands on deck.
You've been to like every cool spot in California. I was looking at all those stickers. What's your favorite?
I think my favorite one, and also unfortunately, would be Joshua Tree. The reason why I said unfortunately is because it gets really dusty the moment I drive there.
Oh my gosh.
So, you know, maybe I'll take the car tomorrow.
Well, the good news is these products are going to give you some of that surface tension and water beading on there, which will literally help it stay cleaner, and then it will actually be easier to get clean as well. So when you came in, we kind of noticed there wasn't a lot of water beading, and you had said that it hadn't been waxed in a while. We didn't really have the time today to do like a full-on, you know, liquid wax or anything, so that's why we chose these. Hybrid ceramic, obviously we're going to get the car clean, but this will super significantly add quite a bit of water beading and protection, which we're already seeing from testing it out. The other thing we're going to do, just to keep it in the quick and easy, you know, get something going, is our hybrid ceramic detailer. Normally you would use this in between your washes to kind of help remove dust and fingerprints, and it happens to add water beading, that hybrid ceramic protection as well. Right now, even though it's clean, we're going to go ahead and use it and just utilize that ability to add even more. Just so you're building up a little bit of protection. Yeah, there you go. And we can kind of go around, and it's just literally just a light mist. And then kind of spread it around just nice and gently with one side of the towel. And then once you're about done with that panel, you can flip to the other side kind of for the final wipe. And it's as simple as that.
Wow, that's easy.
Yeah.
Is it also good for glass?
It's not gonna hurt anything, but we have another product we're gonna use on the glass now that you mentioned that actually. Oh, you following me? Yeah, so to answer your question, the detailer's not gonna hurt anything on glass. We came out with this this year, Ultimate Glass Cleaner and Water Repellent. You literally just use it like a regular glass cleaner, and it adds a ceramic-based, super hydrophobic water repellent feature right on the exterior glass.
Cool.
It's been great. A lot of good feedback, and it's literally as easy as just using it like a regular glass cleaner.
All right, I'm gonna go to town with the hybrid ceramic detailer, making sure I dry and add some protection on this vehicle. Just triple checking that, you know, everything is covered. Cool, Patrick, Nick, Mario, we all got this. Staying with the hybrid ceramic family, I'm gonna use our hybrid ceramic tire shine, spraying it everywhere and working it in. Now, you can either go for a high gloss by spraying it and leaving it, or as I'm doing it, working it in for a nice medium shine.
Voila, there you go. You have it. The 4x4Runner is clean again the way it was always meant to be, but it also always needs to get dirty. So it's our pleasure to have it in, give it back to you clean so you can bring it back dirty for us. So tell me, what did you like about today and kind of how it went for you?
Well, the whole process was actually different from how I do it. I really enjoyed the foam wash. That was really beautiful. And to me, the most difficult part was the wheels and tires. It's crazy. It looks amazing, and there's a lot of details on this.
Yeah.
So it's not the easiest thing. Thank you so much. And
Yeah. We got to see some of the hybrid ceramic family line applied to it, and then also speaking of family, you can take it back to Zion and Yogi, the four-legged friends. But you'll have another one riding with you, a two-legged little one. So congratulations.
Soon. Thank you.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, awesome, man. Like many of you at home, it is a tough job to detail a 4x4 or any large vehicle that you got at home. So it is our pleasure to have you here, and we thank you. And we thank you, everybody, for sticking around please check us out at meguiars.com, also our social media. You can check us across the board. And Patrick, we will check you out in the next round, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hiya!